Find the sum of first 9 terms of the series here. So Sn is a summation of Tn is the formula. So Tn is equal to what here in this case? In the given series here, 1 cube divided by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube divided by, otherwise directly can write here. Nth term is 1 cube plus 2 cube and this one here plus n cube divided by. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and this one here up to n terms here. Therefore this is equal to numerator is n square n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 here whole divided by. So denominator term here the terms are in EPF. So a is equal to 1 here and common difference is 2. So Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula. 1 plus n minus 1 into 2n. 1 plus 2n minus of 2. Then 2n 1 minus 2 gives minus of 1 here. Therefore it is a 2n minus 1 here. So summation of 2n minus of 1 here. Okay. Therefore this is equal to, so n square n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 here whole divided by 2 is the constant here. Summation of n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 minus of summation of 1 is n here. So this 2 and this 2 get cancels here. Therefore Tn is equal to n square n plus 1 whole square here divided by 4 whole divided by. Here n is the common factor here. So n is the common here. So n plus 1 minus of 1 here. So plus 1 and minus 1 get cancels here. So n square n plus 1 whole square divided by, take 4 to denominator here, n into n becomes n square here. So this n square and this n square cancels here. So we get n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 here. Then n plus 1 whole square can be written as so n square here plus 2n plus 1 divided by 4 divided by 4 here. Therefore Sn is equal to summation of Tn here. So can use that result here. So Sn is equal to 1 upon 4 is a constant here. 1 by 4 is a constant. Then a summation of n square plus 2 into summation of n. 2 into summation of n plus summation of 1 here. Summation of 1. Therefore this is equal to 1 by 4 into bracket summation of n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 here. Then plus here. Then 2 into summation of n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 and the summation of 1 is n here. Therefore this 2 and this 2 get cancels here. N is the common factor here. N divided by 4 into bracket. So n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 here. Then plus n plus 1 is there. So right here n plus 1 plus 1 here. Here we want sum to 9 terms here. We want sum of first 9 terms. So put n equal to 9 here. So yes, 9 is equal to 9 divided by 4 into bracket. 9 plus 1 is 10 here into 9 to the 18 plus 1 19. divided by 6, then plus. So 9 plus 2 becomes 11 here. Therefore, this is equal to, so 9 divided by 4 interrogator. So 6 is the same here. 10 into 19 becomes 119 plus 11 6 is 66 here. Then you can cancel 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are, it cancels here. Therefore this is equal to, so 3 divided by 4 into 190 plus 90 is 66 here. So 190 plus 66 here. So 256 here. 256 divided by 2 here. Therefore this is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 64 is here. Therefore 3 into, again 2 ones are 2, 2 32 are. So 32 here. Therefore 3 into 32 becomes 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 here. It is a 96. So 96 is the answer here. So the given sum of the series here is equal to k into 10 raised to 9. Then what is the value of k? So first I write this equation here. Therefore k into, first I am writing a right hand side term here, k into 10 raised to 9 is equal to this 10 raised to 9 here plus 2 into 11 raised to 1 into 10 raised to 8, then plus here, then 3 into 11 square into 10 raised to 7 here plus, and so on plus here, 10 into 11 raised to 9 here. Then dividing both sides by 10 raised to 9 here. Okay, dividing both sides by 10 raised to 9 here. Then 10 raised to 9, 10 raised to 9 cancels, therefore k is equal to 10 raised to 9 cancels, the remaining is 1 here plus, then this upon this here, here remaining 1 by 10 here, so you can write 2 into 11 divided by 10 here, like this, then plus, this 3 keep as it is here, then this upon this here, then remaining here 1 upon 10 square, therefore you can write 11 upon 10, it's a square here, and continue like that here plus, then this upon this here, so 11 divided by 10 raised to 9 here, raised to 9. So this is a AGPF because 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, so here is a 10 is there, so write here 10 plus 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to 10, these are in the API. 11 by 10, 11 by 10 square, 11 upon 10 raised to 9, they are in the GP. Yes, which is the AGP, which is a AGP, means arithmetic or geometric progression here. In the GP, 11 upon 10 is the common ratio. So 11 by 10, 11 by 10 square, 11 by 10 raised to 9 and so on here. 11 upon 10 is the common ratio. Therefore, multiplying each term by 11 by 10 here. Okay, multiplying each term by 11 upon 10 because here 1, 2, 3 up to 10 are in AP. Then the 1 11 by 10 here, 11 upon 10 square and so on or in GPR. In the GP, first term is 1 year. A is equal to 1 and the common ratio is 11 upon 10 years. You take this common ratio 11 by 10, multiplying both the sides by 11 by 10 years. Therefore, K into 11 divided by 10 years is equal to 1 into 11 by 10. 11 divided by 10 plus 2 into this becomes 11 upon 10, it's a square year. Then plus this into this becomes 3 into 11 divided by 10 raised to 3 and so on here. Plus its previous term is 9 into 11 upon 10 raised to 9 here. Plus then this into this becomes 10 into 11 upon 10 raised to 10 here. Okay. Therefore, this is the second. Take equation number 2 here. Multiplying each term by 11 upon 10. This is it's a previous term here. Multiply that previous term by this one here, we get this here. Then subtracting each other, equation 1 minus equation 2 gives here. So this minus this gives a key common factor here. 1 minus of 11 divided by 10 here. Then this is equal to, okay, this equal to, then write this one as it is here. So 1 plus, then this term minus of this term here. So 2 minus 1 becomes 1. So 11 by 10 here. So 11 divided by 10. Then this term minus this term here. 3 minus 2 gives 1 here. Remaining here 11 by 10 square here. 11 divided by 10, it's a square here. Plus. It's a next term and this term get cancels here. Remaining is 11 upon 10 raised to 3. And so on here. Plus this term and this term cancel. 10 minus 9 is 1 here. 1 into 11 by 10 raised to 9. 11 upon 10 raised to 9 here. And the minus of this term. Minus of 10 into 11 upon 10 raised to 10 here. I will explain once again here. Write this one as it is. This minus this means 2 into 11 by 10 minus of this term here. This one 11 upon 10 here. So 11 by 10 is the common factor here. 2 minus 1 into 11 by 10 here. So 2 minus 1 becomes 1. 1 into 11 by 10 is this 11 by 10 here. Then this term minus of this term here, subtracting these two terms here. So 3 into 11 by 10, it's a square, minus of this here. 2 into 11 upon 10, it's a square here. 11 upon 10 square common factor here. So 3 minus 2 here. 3 minus 2 into 11 by 10, it's a square here. 3 minus 2 gives 1. 1 into 11 by 10 square is a 11 by 10 square. This minus this gives this here. Similarly, it's a next term 4 into 11 by 10 square and this one. Subtracting each other, we get this one. Next, this term minus of this term is 10 into 11 upon 10 raised to 9. Minus of this term here 9 into 11 upon 10 raised to 9. Then 11 by 10 raised to 9 common factor here. So 10 minus of 9 into 11 upon 10 raised to 9 here. Then 10 minus 9 becomes 1. 1 into 11 by 10 raised to 9 is 11 by 10. So if you are subtracting these two here, we get this one. And the minus because you are subtracting here, so this becomes minus. Minus 10 raised to 10 by 10 raised to 10 here. Okay. Then here 10 ones are 10. 10 is LCM. 10 ones are 10. 10 minus 11 becomes minus 1 here. So K into minus of 1 divided by 10 here is equal to. Here these terms are in GP. The terms are in GP from year to year. First term is 1. Common ratio is 11 by 10 here. Therefore, here A is equal to 1 here. A is equal to 1. Common ratio is 11 by 10. Formula is A into R into n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Use that formula here. Therefore, I am writing here K into 10 ones are 10, 10 minus 7 is the minus of 1 here, minus 1 by 10 is equal to A value 1 here, so 1 into bracket 11 upon 10 raised to. Total these are 10 terms here. Okay, from here to here 9 and this is the first term 1 here. So total there are 10 terms here, minus of 1 divided by 11 upon 10 minus of 1 here. From here to here, these are all in GPM. These are 10 terms here. First term is 1 and the combination is 10 by 10. Therefore, total 10 terms are there and equal to 10 here. So use that formula here. Minus of 10 into 11 upon 10 raised to 10, keep as it is here. Okay. Okay. Therefore, here it is a minus of k by 10 here. Minus of k divided by 10 is equal to. Here 10 is the LCM and 10 ones are 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 goes to numerator here. So it is a 10 into 11 upon 10 raised to 10 minus of 1 here. Okay. Here 10 LCM, 10 ones are 10. 11 minus 10 is 1 by 10. 1 by 10, take that 1 by 10 to numerator, it is a 10 here. And write this term as it is. Okay, this term. Minus of 10 into this here. So 10 into 11 upon 10 raised to 10 here. Next take this 10 inside the bracket here. Minus k by 10. So 10 into 11 upon 10 raised to 10 here. 10 ones are 10. Minus of 10. Then minus of 10 into 11 divided by 10 raised to 10 here. Here this term and this term get cancels here. Therefore, minus of k by 10 is equal to minus of 10 here. Left side minus, right hand side minus become plus here. Take a 10 that side here. So k is equal to 100. Therefore, C is the answer here. K is equal to 100.